Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print Excel with grid lines. Open an Excel sheet. So it's a sheet as you can see, but if you go to this file section and go to print, you can see there is no grid lines in this page. So what you do is we'll go back and select the whole table, and from this font option we can click on all borders and make it the border. We can click on more borders to select more borders. We can select different colors for our borders, and we can just simply customize the thickness. We can make it more thicker. Click on OK. Now if you go to this print option, you can see the grid lines are shown here. You can make it click on OK. Click on all borders. Well, this is how you can make all the borders and print with the grid lines. You can go to print option and see the preview. As you can see, it's a preview, and these lines are shown there. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.